This is sort of day 4 of sorting out my car. So I've sort of cleaned those bits there. It's quite hard, you don't want stuff to fall into the valves, so you have to be quite careful as a lot of bits. The whole inside of there was full of stuff inside there, but I cleaned it all out. The starter motor, you couldn't find anything wrong with it, but he's refurbished it, so it looks good and looks like new. It's only done 20,000, so I think it's the cables that were connected. So I've cleaned those. You can see that whole bit there is where the earth cable goes through to the gearbox. There's round along there and up to there, and also on the body over there. I'll do these rocker covers later. This is in place really. The delay is still this lug here that I can't get out. Basically as it stands at the moment. I'm going to put if I can get that thing out there, then I could put the inlet manifold back on and start progressing, but it needs to dry, and that's in the boot. So I've just done the wrinkle paint. It's going to stay sort of 24 hours to cure, I think they call it. So that's done. I'm not sure about if I will take off that or may ruin it. I'm not sure. It doesn't look too bad in red, but I'm sure it looks better in white. But I could do that. I would like to put the inlet manifold back on, but I'm waiting for a seal for that. But so it is at the moment.